Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and today I'm going to be doing a sort of like vampire inspired look. So I'm just going to go off camera quickly and do the first eye and then come back to do the second one. So I've done this eye off camera and I'm just going to go and start this one. So using my Lisa Jog palette, I'm going to go in with the shade Shady here and I'm just packing that all over the lid. I'm just going a little bit above, well, like into my crease, sorry, I'm just going into my crease a little bit, just so the black's all there. This is my favourite black to use. It's just stays really dark and it's like doesn't really build up that much. And then to blend that out a little bit, I'm going to go in with the shade here, Snatched. I'm just using a really small blending brush and I'm just using circular motions to blend out the black a little. And I'm just bringing it out a little bit here as well, like that kind of point. And then to blend out that even more, I'm going to go in with this shade here from the Me, Myself and Mmmmitchell palette, Mini. And I'm just going to kind of buff everything out a little bit. I'm just going to go back in with the brush I had the black on and just pack a little bit more on. I'm going to go in with some eyeliner as well, so I'm just going to draw like a big line. Just like that. So it's not like very noticeable, but it just adds a little bit more depth. So I'm going to go in with my skin now, so to prime I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Putty primer. And just take a dollop of that. And just blend that in. And I'm just trying again not to like mess up my foundation or my eye makeup. And for my foundation, I'm just going to go in with this ordinary coverage foundation. My skin is already like quite pale, so I'm not going to add any kind of white or anything to my face or my foundation. I'm just going to buff that in. And I'm just going to go in with my Revolution Conceal and Hydrate concealer. Just pop a little bit there. Just in some places I want to highlight. And to contour, I'm just going to go in with this Shade and Light palette by KVD Vegan Beauty, and I'm just going to go in with this lightest contour shade here, and I'm wanting to give myself a kind of like more angular face, so I'm just going to do it quite high up and just make my cheekbones more prominent and just kind of blend this down a little bit. I'm going to do the same on this side, quite high up, like that, and then just bring it down. I'm just going to blend it out a wee bit. And just bringing it down. Made my cheekbones like that a little bit more prominent. To set my face, I'm going to go in with this Revolution, and I'm just going to highlight, I'm just going to powder under my eyes. And powder my chin around my nose and my forehead. I want my skin to be quite matte for this look, so I'm just going to powder as much as I can. So I'm going to contour as well using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I'm going to go with this kind of small brush to contour rather than my usual contour brush, and just kind of put it where I had the the KVD Vegan Beauty contour, and blend that out a little bit. I'm just bringing it down just to make my cheekbones more prominent, just like that. I'm going to do the same on this side. So I'm just doing like a line and kind of slowly buffing it out and bringing it down. And kind of contour my forehead a little bit. And my jawline. I'm going to use the bigger brush for my jawline. And I'm not going to use any blush because I want my skin to still like look lifeless and stuff. So I'm just going to go in with my highlighter, and I'm going to use the Glazed Donut highlighter by Ofra and Nikkie Tutorials. And I'm not going to put way too much on, I just want the highlighter to kind of accentuate my cheekbones. I'm just going to go into the bottom of my eyes. Using this side of my brush, I'm just going to go back in with the black shady. Just going to put a thin line like that there, and then blend it out with the shade Snatched again. just gonna give it a nice smoky look and bring it out here. And I'm gonna go off camera and finish this eye and then put on some lashes and stuff, and I'll be back to do my lip. So I put my eyelashes on and I put in some red contacts as well. And now I'm just gonna go in with this black matte liquid lipstick by Revolution Pro. It's the Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigment in Bad Vibes. And I've just got a little brush and I'm just gonna outline my lips. This would obviously be better with a black lip liner, but I don't have one. So I'm just making my Cupid's bow much more prominent. And I'm just going to go in with this red Revolution Pro lipstick in Red Wine. And just kind of blend it in with the black. I'm just going to add some extras. You could just leave it like this and put in fangs and it would still be a really nice vampire look. But I'm just going to add a little bit of fake blood just down the side of my mouth. So I'm going in with this vampire blood here. So just with the bottom of this brush I'm going to dip it in to the fake blood and just like let it drip like that. And just leave it to drip like that. I kind of blended it in so it looks like it's kind of came out the side of my mouth. So this is the finished look. I've got a bit of a lisp now because I added in some fangs, but I just want to show you like the completed look for Halloween. Thank you for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you could like and subscribe I would really appreciate it because it would really help. My social medias and that will be linked down below if you want to give any of them a follow, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.